Yes, guys, you have read correctly. This is not clickbait. I have lost my close to $1 million position on Phemex. So, and that was due to the fact that we have broken down. So, and let me get here straight into the chart. My name is Alex from AMCrypto. So here we were forming a diamond pattern as I had mentioned it yesterday in yesterday's video. So, and it looked like that we broke here to the upside. I mean, that we actually will go and match the technical target all the way up at $33,000 approximately. So here on this one, it's 32,770, but it's, yeah, 32,770, 33,000 in that kind of range. So yeah, but we didn't, and instead we broke to the downside, broke the support at 32,128. And after some sideways action, we continued to move here lower to the downside. So now I have found a new pattern that nobody was looking at, and that is on the daily chart, this ascending triangle. Here and there. So here you can see we got a lot of touch points here along the downwards trending resistance line here. So, and also on the horizontal line here on the bottom, there we had also a lot of touch points, and it looks like that we are breaking down right now out of that ascending triangle. So, and I have bad news for you guys. If we go all the way down to the technical target here of this pattern, then Bitcoin will go down all the way to $20,200 approximately. So here in the middle, yeah, $20,200. So I still believe that is a highly unlikely scenario that we will here now drop all the way down to the $20,000 region. But yeah, it is the technical target. And sometimes the unexpected is what we have to expect, and also what is actually then happening. On the other hand, we are technically still in the ascending triangle. We just got rejected, on the upper resistance of it and moving now to the downside. So we can move here all the way down technically to $28,000 approximately, and be still in this falling wedge here. So, and that would be still valid if we would drop all the way down here to 28,000, as long as we get there a bounce back to the upside. So, and then hopefully a strong move here out of the falling wedge to the upside, because the falling wedge is technically a bullish pattern. So we should break here to the upside. I'm still now leaning a little bit more to the bearish side, because we broke down, and the $30,000 level is the next level of support here. You can see it here on the green dashed line here. So if we break that level, then I will flip absolutely bearish here in the immediate short term, because for now the 32,000 and the 30,000 zone was giving us strong support. And yeah, the more often we testing these support levels, the weaker they get. So, and at some point, eventually, we have to break down. So, but let's see and watch what is actually happening. So, as long as we stay here in the falling wedge, there is still a slim chance here that, for a bull case. Something else that I wanted to show you guys was if I flip here to the weekly chart. So, and here on the weekly chart, there we see that we will not go that much lower in the immediate short term, because when we look here on the stochastic RSI, we are heavily oversold since April, even since March. So since March, even though the price action moved higher, still higher here in March. So you can see it started approximately here, 8th of March. So, but you can also see the price action was going up here more or less just sideways. While we were creating the top. So, but yeah, in that section from the 8th of March until now, we're in highly oversold conditions since then. So, and we have to get here in the next couple of weeks a really strong bounce here to the upside. So, and I reckon this bounce will bring us immediately into the $40,000 region. So, and yeah, once that is occurring, if I see here a bounce happening, that will potentially the next trade that I'm going to open. I must say the other trade that I lost here on Phemex with my $1 million position, I was entering a little bit prematurely and I was absolutely aware of the risk. I told you guys also that this is a really risky trade that I was taking there. So now, I have to face the consequences, but it's fine. It's not ruining me. You should never trade with more than you can afford to lose. There is just a fraction, and not really bothering me that I lost that amount, even if I know that it is a huge amount of money. So, but yeah, here in the immediate short term, we should be prepared that this this ascending triangle can break it to the downside, maybe to $28,000 again, and then move up here. And to in the mid short term, the mid and long term case is here on the weekly chart that we should get a bounce pretty soon, and then also get into higher price levels again. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, then please smash up the like button, click the subscribe button, click the notification bell, and I hope to see you guys tomorrow. I want to say again, really thank you to each and everyone that's watching every day my videos. It brings me so much joy to see all the comments that you are writing. Please let me know what you think, what we're going to do here. Do you lean more to the bullish side or more to the bearish side? Let me know in the comments below and I will enter in the conversation. And guys, remember, as always, see you tomorrow.